Hello and welcome all my dear students. How have you been, my second standard students? I hope boys and girls, you all are fine. You all are doing great in your studies, and I hope that you are ready for today's grammar lecture, aren't you? I am very sure that my genius students are waiting with their books as well. My dear little champs, now in this lecture, if you are not having the grammar textbook, you have to keep your rough book with you, because you know that English, what do we do when I'm explaining you the lesson? Now that you have to just sit idle and just understand the story, but in the grammar you have to work with me, right? So if you don't have the textbook, it is compulsory for you at least in this lecture to keep the rough book with you, so that whatever things are explained and whatever practice we do for the grammar topic we are going to start today, at least you can note it down in your rough notebook, and later whenever you get your textbook you can jot down the answers in your textbook. My dear little champs, it is my humble request for you that whenever we start the new grammar topic, not only your textbook, rough book, pencil and the other stuff, but I also need your presence. Now by saying presence, I mean to say your mental presence I need here, because unless you don't understand the topic explained in the lecture, you will not be able to attempt that question related to that same topic in the exams. And today is the topic which I have explained you far back. But again I have brought this topic because perhaps I am going to include this chapter in your exams as well. So this lecture is of immense importance for you, so please make sure that you solve, you understand, and you even send the doubts if you have later on in my WhatsApp number. So once again, welcome all my dear students in today's grammar lecture. I hope you all are well prepared in advance with your rough books at least. Those who are having the grammar textbook, they are requested to open page number 58. What are we going to do? Do you know that? We are going to start the chapter from vocabulary part of your grammar textbook, which is chapter number 3, compound words. So I hope you all are ready with your books. Now, those who aren't having their textbook, what they will do is, they will write the heading chapter 3 compound words in their rough book. So even if they want to note down the explanation, if they want to note down any examples given in the lecture, they can note it down in their rough book. See, in every lecture I try my level best to serve you, even if you have or if you do not have the textbook. So please make sure at your end you fulfill the requirements, whatever is needed, you at least pay attention and take the advantage, take 100% advantage of the lectures sent. So let us get started with the chapter number 3 from the vocabulary part of your textbook. The name of the chapter is compound word. Now I'm going to present the textbook on the screen. So then I'll start explaining you what is compound word and the topic. So my dear students, this is your textbook chapter number 3 from vocabulary part, compound words. This is on page number 58. I repeat, those who are having the textbook, if they want to take out and solve the exercises after the explanation, they can do it in the textbook itself, because in the grammar textbook you have to solve the exercises in the book itself. You don't have to make any extra book for it. And I hope that those who are having the rough book, they have given the heading, chapter name, number properly, and even please write today's date. Those who are having textbook, they can also write today's date somewhere here, so that you will come to know when have we started this chapter in the lectures. Now my dear students, first of all let me explain you the heading compound words. You know what is word? Yes, you will say that, sir, word is the group of letters which make some meaningful word. But then what is compound word? Now, in your second standard, you might have heard only one compound, that is compound in which you play. Compound which you have in your apartment or in your flat or in your school, right? School compound or apartment compound or flat compound. You might have heard that. So you will say that, sir, words related to that compound is compound words. No, that is not the compound words. As in English, one word has more than 3 meanings, right? Here let me explain you what is compound words. And these compound words will be helpful to you till your 10th standard. So now only it is a kind of investment if you pay attention in the lecture, one-time investment, which will be helpful to you till your 10th standard. And you are very much grateful that you are having such topics in your second standard. So I hope that I have your attention here in the lecture. Now look at the pictures, read the words here. Have you heard this word football? You will say that yes sir, we even play football at our home, at school compound. Have you heard this word classroom? Obviously, now you are not able to come to classroom, we are connected through the virtual classrooms, right? But these words are the compound words. Yes, that means you know you are using the compound words in your regular lives, but you are not knowing that this particular word is compound word, and that is what you have to understand. Now, football. What is football? Here you can see this word is made from the 2 different words of different meanings. Let me zoom in this picture for you. Now your attention should be on this word, not on this ball. I know otherwise you will feel like playing. So what is this? Foot, that means your legs, the end part where you wear your shoes, that is foot. What is ball? Ball is right there on the screen, right? So does the foot and the ball means the same thing? No. Foot means the leg, the portion, the part of your leg where you wear your shoes, and ball means this ball, the object with which you can play the game. The words, these 2 words, if we separate them, these means something else. But now when you connect these 2 words, foot plus ball, which makes football the 3rd word. So compound word is the word, or the compound words are the words which are made by combining, by joining 2 different words having 2 different meanings, but when we combine them, they make the 3rd word. The outcome is the 3rd word with the different meaning. Foot means something else. Again, ball means something else. But when you combine them, football, it makes the name of one game, football. Correct? So this is what the compound word is. Let me explain it to you once again with another example, so as to make it very clear in your mind that what is compound word. Now, here the word is classroom. You study in classroom, your friends, you, your teachers, everyone works in the classroom while you are learning some concept. Now this is again compound word. Did you know that? So why is it so? Now class means what? We even use the term class if we want to announce something to the boys and girls sitting in the class. We say that class, please pay attention here. That means we want girls and boys sitting in the class to pay attention to us, right? So class means something else. And room means what? Not necessarily the room in which you sit and study is called the room. Bedroom is different, drawing room is different, study room is different, hotel room is different, right? So room means something else and the class word means something else. These 2 words are not connected, but now when we combine them, it makes classroom. So this word comes out by combining these 2 words, and this makes something else. So the meaning of classroom is something else, which is word made from the two different words. So basically, in short, the word which is made by combining the two different words is known as the compound word. So I hope now this concept is clear in your mind that what is compound word. Now let us read the definition written here, and which will be the same as I said. When we join two words, a compound word is formed. So like I said, I just explained you in detail that when we join two words which are having different meanings, but now when we combine them, it makes the new word, it gives the birth to the new word, which makes the meaning something else, which makes the new word with a new meaning. So again, I'd like to repeat the example before we start the exercise. Now you see, foot means something else, ball means something else, but when we combine them, it makes the third word, which means something else. Okay, now let us start with the exercise, which is very easy and at the same time is very interesting. Let us ignore the butterfly unless we see the example. Can you see butterfly written anywhere, students? Yes, here it is. How did you come to know? Tell me. Because butter plus fly. So butter means what? I know that you all know what butter means. It is an eatable item, right? Butter is used in cooking. What do you mean by fly? Fly are many, house fly, right? Mosquitoes, we all call this thing as fly. And fly also means to fly. So we can use it as a noun, as the verb as well. But when we combine these two words, it makes the third word, which means this picture. That means butterfly. So let us write the answer over here. So it's butterfly. Okay, I hope that you understood that what do we have to do. Butter plus fly, we just have to write the answer. Which word comes out of these two words is butterfly. Wasn't it interesting and very easy? I knew that the smile will be there on your face because it is too easy. Now question B. Hand plus bag. Okay, hold on. Many students now might be telling that, sir, we are able to solve this easily. So students, I will give you a couple of seconds as I always do. I will start the countdown. Till then, if you can write the answer, write it by your own. Otherwise, I will write the answer on the screen for the students who are not able to write the answer. So hand, bag. If we combine these two words, which word is made? Write the answer. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So which word is made by combining these two words? So it is a handbag. It is a handbag. Do you know how handbag looks like? Have you seen a handbag in anyone's hand? So handbag is this, which your mom or which you might be holding in your hand, in which you can keep your money and your other stuff needed for you while you are traveling from one place to another place. So that is your handbag. Okay, question C. News plus paper. Please find out the answer and then I'll explain you later on. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you get the answer? What is the answer then? Newspaper. You will say that newspaper daily comes in the morning. My father reads the newspaper, right? So, what is newspaper? And what is the meaning of news and paper? Can you tell me? Here news means the updated news or the information, updated information you get it from any media, from any medium, either from the radio or from the television or from the paper. But when you get the updated information, what is going on around the world or in a town or in your state, in the form of the paper, it is called newspaper. But paper means something else and the news means something else. But when you combine them, it makes the word newspaper. Right? I hope that you liked this exercise. Let us solve few more words and then we will move on towards the next exercise. Question D, sun plus shine. Can you get the answer for this? Sun plus shine. What is that? Sun means something else and to shine means something else. Find out the answer. Your time starts now. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you get the answer? What is the answer? Sunshine. Yes. So let me write the answer here. Students, do you know that in your town Bhavnagar, you have the hotel near the area called Panwadi? The name of the hotel is Sun and Shine. So these words should be very familiar to you. See, I gave you the live example so that you can connect yourself with these words, right? So what is sunshine? Obviously in the morning you get sunshine, right? So sun means it is the biggest star in our solar system, galaxy in the Milky Way. And shine means something which shines, which reflects the light. Diamond shines, right? It reflects the light. It does not have the light of its own. That is different thing. So sunshine is the word which is made from this. Next is see. No, I am not telling you to see this page. SEAC. So, sea, a huge water body it is, right? And what is shore? This means something else. Now when you combine these two words, which word will come out? Again, I'm going to give you a couple of seconds. Your time starts now. Please write the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you get the answer? What is the correct answer? So the correct answer is seashore. I hope that you would have written the same answer. And what is the meaning of seashore? Can you tell me? Do you know that? I know even if you might be answering me, I would not have heard because I cannot hear you. So anyways, seashore is the area near the sea, is the land near the sea where you can play, where you can enjoy. It is kind of picnic spot for you. You might have seen the seashore, you might be making the castles and the houses or the different structures with the mud, with the clay present over there. Okay, and the last one we will solve because the next two I'll give you as the homework. Fly plus over. Now fly means, I told you when I was explaining you butterfly. And what do you mean by over? When something you are doing, when some activity you are doing, when it is finished, you say over, my work is over. These words are different. But what can you make out of these two words? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Your time is up. Anyways, I hope that you have made the answer, you have prepared the answer, you have prepared the word. The answer is fly over. What is the meaning of this? You might be asking me. Fly over means what, sir? Some of you, if you might be knowing, you might be saying, okay, yes, we know the meaning. Anyways, fly over means the road, the special road built for the airplanes to take off. They need the running area. See, if you are doing the long jump, you need the running area and then you can jump. Similarly, when the airplanes, when they need to fly in the air, first they are on the land and then they slowly run on the road and then they slowly take the fly, they take the height. That area where they run, specially made for the airplanes, is known as flyover. Those roads are differently made, differently constructed, I should say. Okay, with this we complete exercise number 1, for which question G and H I am giving you in your homework. Let's move towards the next exercise, for which we will be able to solve couple of words only. What do we have to do? Circle the word in each group which cannot be used to make a compound word with the highlighted words on the left. Basically, these are the questions. You have to keep it in your mind. And then you have to circle the words which cannot make the compound word. Mark my words. You have to circle the word from the list which cannot make the compound word. I am telling you which cannot make. I ain't telling you that which can make. So out of these 3 words, only one word will be there which will not be able to combine with the word given on the left hand side. I hope I made it very clear in your mind that what do we have to do in this exercise. Let's get started. Number 1, water. Can you say waterfall? Yes, you can say. So this is eligible word. Can you say waterproof? Yes, you can say waterproof. Again, this is eligible word. Can you say waterland? No, there is no word like waterland. So land is the word you have to circle. Why? Because land word cannot be combined with water. Because if even we combine water and land, it will make waterland, that is useless. That word is useless. We cannot make any word like waterland. There is no word such waterland. There is the word in existence like waterfall, waterproof. But waterland, no. So we have to circle land. Similarly, you have to solve this exercise for all these remaining questions. Let us solve couple of words and then the remaining ones I will give you in your homework. I hope first of all you are enjoying that, and at the same time I hope that students who were solving in the rough book, they are writing the questions and the answers properly. Let's start solving the other sentences. Question B is under. Now 3 options given here are ground, over, water. Now you have to combine and you have to check whether this word is there in the existence or not. If not, then simply you will get the answer. Under plus ground becomes underground. Yes, this word is there. Under plus water becomes underwater. Yes, this word is there. Can you say under plus over, under over? There is no word as far as I know such as under over. So over is the odd word which cannot be combined with the word on the left hand side which is under. Let us solve the next one. Question C. Tooth. Tooth means many of you might not be knowing. I am telling you many of you. Why? Now let me tell you, do you know the meaning of teeth? Immediately you will say, yes sir, we know the meaning of teeth. And you might be touching your teeth, this is our teeth. No. The object which you are touching might be your tooth. Because tooth means singular, teeth means plural. Now slowly I hope that the thing is getting clear in your mind, right? Teeth means how many teeth do you have? You might be saying 32. Some of you might be having 33. Exceptional case. So teeth means plural. All 32 teeth you have. You cannot say teeths. No, S should not be added. Teeth already is the plural form. But tooth means only one tooth from your teeth. So can you say toothpaste? Yes, you can say toothpaste. This is what you use daily in the morning. Can you say tooth gum? Or can you say toothpick? You have to select out of these two which one is correct. Obviously, you can say toothpick. That is a stick which you use after you have your dessert. You are having the freshens, you are having the, some or the other thing so that you can use the mouth freshener. So there is the word like toothpick, which picks out the remaining objects from between your mouth. But can you say tooth gum? No, there is the word we have heard like chewing gum, but no tooth gum. So gum is the odd word here which does not match in the list. I hope students you are not only solving but enjoying this. Yes, some of you might have even found the answer for question D, but it is my duty to discuss, so I will discuss it. Snow. Now, can you match the word snow with flake? Yes, snowflake is the tiny snow with a beautiful design. Can you match the word snow with fire? No, you might be knowing free fire, but you might not be knowing snow fire. Not only you, but no one knows what is snow fire. There is no such word. So fire is the odd one. Why? Because you can match the word snow with man, right? Snowman. Where there is the snowfall, people like, say for an example in Canada, they make snowman, a man-like structure using the snow. So fire is the odd word here. So with this, my dear students, I end my today's lecture. Again, these four I am giving you in the homework. Try to solve it. I know it is very easy and I have faith in you that at least you will try to solve it. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and I will make sure that in the next lecture I can bring few new worksheets for the compound word exercises, and you will enjoy that too. Have a nice day, students. Goodbye.